Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a Lulus haul and I'm super excited about this video because this is my first time ever working with Lulus and they were super awesome. They reached out and offered to send me some of their fall pieces, and so how could I resist? Just so you know, all of these products have been gifted to me, but I did get to pick them out from the website and I feel like you guys are gonna love them. It seriously took me so long to figure out what I wanted because everything was so cute and I had to keep fall in mind. Even though it's still a little bit warm in Nashville, I definitely wanted to get pieces that I could wear into the fall and winter. Obviously, you guys know I love fall and I am so excited for fall lookbooks, and yes, just everything about that. I am already channeling my inner fall. Got this cozy cardigan on. But yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys these pieces. I haven't opened them or tried them on yet, so this is a first impressions. But based on what I ordered, I just cannot wait to open them up and try them all on. So let's get into it. So we're just gonna go ahead and start with the coziest looking item. Also, I just wanna say I love that they wrapped everything in this really cute tissue paper. I just thought that was fun to open up. Yes, oh my gosh. Okay, so I got this really pretty dusty pink jacket, and this one's actually kind of a lightweight jacket. It kind of can be compact, so it'd be great to travel with, but it's so cozy. I wish you guys could feel this. If you know what this type of material feels like, then you're already obsessed with this like I am. Gosh, I can't wait to try this one on. And it actually snaps, so you can unbutton it and wear it open, or you could just leave the first few buttons open. The collar lays down. That's probably a good thing unless you wanted to really button it up all the way. But this is so cozy. I just want to put it on right now. So I'm gonna try this one on. I am in love with this jacket. It's the coziest thing I feel like I've ever worn. I love it though because it's lightweight, so you could wear this inside and not sweat a ton in it. But I believe this is a small, and this definitely fits oversized, but I love the look of that. You can layer it over sweaters. It would look good with a mock neck and some jeans. Obviously I have on shorts right now because it's really hot outside. But yeah, this is so cozy and really cute. I love the color of this, and I can definitely see myself getting a lot of wear out of this in the fall. It's a great neutral, but it's not tan or white. So yeah, I really like it. The next little loaf that I'm gonna be opening up, I forgot to show you guys. I have little loaves. I don't know why I just called them loaves. Is that weird? They just look like little loaves of bread. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna open up this one. Let's just take a moment for this top right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it has these amazing outlined drawings. I love this. This looks really expensive. I could see this with some white trousers or black jeans. You guys know I wear button downs all the time, and so I think this is a really great variation of just a white button down. And obviously I'm gonna steam it before I try it on so that it's not all wrinkly. This may be my new favorite button down. I love the loose fit of this. It's really casual. It actually has a kind of high-low situation, so you can definitely leave it out like this. You could also just tuck in one side and kind of leave it casual like that. You could tuck in both sides and wear it low in the back, or you could literally just tuck it all in. And yeah, so this is such a cute top. I even like it with the sleeves down like this. You could also, roll them, bunch them up to make it look a little bit more fitted. But overall, this is an amazing alternative to just a plain white button down. So yeah, if you want to switch it up, I definitely think this is the way to go. Still very simple and clean, but just having these little outlined drawings on it actually makes it a little bit more funky and a little bit more artistic looking. But this is what the shirt looks like up close. It also has a pocket on one side, but I love the fit of this. It's super slouchy and casual, but you really could dress this up with trousers and heels and wear it out and make it a little bit more dressy. Next, speaking of white trousers, these actually are denim, which is so interesting. I don't think I realized they were denim when I ordered them online. They have this elastic waist, and they're like the most beautiful cream denim. Obviously, I'm obsessed with neutrals, whites, creams, all about it. These ones are like a straight leg denim, and what I love though is that it's like elastic, so you don't have to belt it, and it actually helps a lot more when you're looking on the website for sizing because it stretches. Okay, so these pants are incredibly cool. I honestly didn't know if they would fit me because they looked really small when I was holding them up, but they stretch out really wide, and so they're really comfortable. They're not tight anywhere. I love the straight leg. This would look so good with any kind of mule or loafer. I'm wearing that same printed top. I love this like cream on cream. You guys know anytime I can wear white on white or cream on white, I definitely go for it. And so I love this look. This feels really elevated and classic, but it's not at all uncomfortable. You could also pair a really cool black belt with this, some gold chunky jewelry like I have on these big gold hoops, and then really have some fun with your shoes and your bag. But yeah, I am so into this look. Next is a dress, and let's just take a moment for this color. It's blush, and wow, this is like a silky kind of satin. This is gonna be so beautiful on. I love this little like cap sleeve almost, but it's ruffly. I can already tell that I'm gonna love this dress. It's so pretty. I cannot wait to try this one on. I definitely need to steam this one as well, but all of these colors and patterns so far are like so good. So this dress is actual perfection. I cannot get over how well it fits, how cute it is. It's the perfect length, and the fabric is just so beautiful. It reflects light perfectly, and these sleeves are my favorite part. I love that you can wear a bra with it because it has these like little cap sleeves. It's just so precious. I am so in love with this color and really happy with this dress. I feel like this would be an amazing dress to wear to a wedding or to an event or a dinner. It's dressy enough, but it's not like too formal. You could definitely keep it casual with like some sandals. Next, I ordered one pair of shoes, and these ones are so dang cute. Look at these heels. Are these not the most perfect heels for fall? What I love about them is the actual heel on this. The silhouette of this is so beautiful, and it looks so modern and clean, and it's like this snakeskin kind of pattern on it. I wasn't sure if you needed to see what the shoes look like on, but I thought I would just show you anyways because they are so dang cute. I love this heel height. Really comfortable to wear, and the snakeskin just makes them a little bit more interesting than a brown heel. Okay, and the final little loaf that I have, we're just gonna call them loaves from now on because that seems pretty accurate. Okay, so let's just start with this first piece. Look at this color. This is the most beautiful olive green I've ever seen. The ruffles in the front are absolutely insane. This would look so good with those white pants. And this feels like a really substantial material. Like, it's not a thin, cheap tank top. This is actually really nice. Wow, I'm loving every single piece so much. I absolutely love the color of this tank top, and the material is amazing. It's like a thicker silk, and this ruffle detailing is so beautiful. I just got it on with a pair of jeans, so you can definitely leave it out like this. You could also just tuck it in the front if you wanted to and just kind of leave the sides out, or you really could tuck it in all the way around. It actually looks pretty good with just the front tucked in because these ruffles fall really nicely on the sides. But yeah, this is a really pretty top and an easy way to kind of dress up. You could definitely throw a cardigan over this and really wear it into the fall. Next, I don't remember ordering this, but I'm really glad I did. This is adorable. Okay, look at this dress. I forgot I ordered this. I love this. Definitely gonna have to wear this, I think, before it gets too cold outside, but this is so pretty. It has like a drawstring in the front, so that's a really nice detail. And then these sleeves, I think you can do either off shoulder or wear them like as regular sleeves. So this floral dress fits so perfectly. I love the sleeves on this. I thought you could wear it like off shoulder, but I'm pretty sure it would fall off, so definitely have to wear it as sleeves, but I don't mind. I probably wouldn't wear it off shoulder anyways because I like having sleeves. It's so cute on. It's really flattering, and I love the length. It's not too short at all, and the sleeves are definitely my favorite part. But this is what the top part of the dress looks like. You can see the sleeves are super like bubbly and pretty, and then it has a tie in the front where it has like a zigzag lacing. Next, I got a bodysuit because I love myself a good bodysuit. Obviously, it's in cream because everything that I wear is cream. Like, it's not this color, but it's definitely not like a bright white, but I loved it because of the square neckline. I can already tell it's gonna be really flattering on, so this is like a good staple. So this is that bodysuit, and I will say it's a little bit tricky with a bra, so maybe get like pasties or a strapless bra or go no bra. But other than that, I really love the fit of this. I'm a huge fan of bodysuits because you don't have to worry about tucking them in, and they are really flattering with jeans because they just fit all the way around and there's not a bunch of extra fabric sticking out the back. I love the length of the sleeves. I feel like this is really flattering on, but this is what it looks like up close. I do love the neckline on it. This would be really pretty with some dainty gold necklaces, nothing too heavy, but this is a great basic, a different way to wear kind of that white t-shirt denim look. So yeah, I'm really into this. And the last piece that I got is a sweater because I just, you know, had to think about being cold. And this one is so cute. First of all, this color is amazing. Second of all, it's a crop, and it's like a chunky thick knit, but I think because it's cropped, it's actually going to be really flattering on. I am very into this sweater, although it is definitely cropped. It works really well with like 11-inch rise jeans. Obviously, if you're a lot taller than me, it's going to be a little bit higher, but because I am 5'2", it actually is pretty nice. But I seriously love this color. I mean, this is my color, this like mustardy yellow, and I love this like striped detailing on it. It kind of looks like a cheerleader uniform. I'm kind of into. So this is super fun. It's really casual. You could wear sneakers with this. Super cozy. You don't need anything on underneath it, like any sort of tank tops. It's not itchy, which is really nice. But this is what the sweater looks like up close. I love the sleeve length. It's not too long on me, but it's super cute all the way around. Works really well with high-waisted jeans or a high-waisted skirt, and I can definitely see myself wearing this a lot in the fall. So that is everything for this Lulus haul. I can't even wrap my mind around how much I loved every single piece. It has me seriously so excited for fall fashion. But if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know what your favorite piece was. Like I mentioned before, I will link everything down below. Seriously, check out Lulus. Some really good pieces on there. But don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you back for some more videos. I do hauls and thrifting all the time, so I would love for you to stick around, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!